Hi everyone, welcome to Numeric Learning. In today's video, we will be solving an important question from class 10th, linear equation. The question is 7 times a 2-digit number is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits. If the difference of the digits is 3, find the number. So you have to find the number, right? Now this first statement, right, the very first line that is given in the word problem here might sound very confusing, right? So let me read it again and let's check if we are able to understand. 7 times a 2-digit number. So from here, what do you understand? That the number is a 2-digit number, okay, is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. So let us understand this first sentence, okay? So for example, the concept, let's understand the concept. Suppose you have a number, say 37, right? So this is your units place and this is your tens place. So you can write 37 as 3 into 10 plus 7 into 1, right? So your 3 is nothing but your tens and your 7 is nothing but your units place, right? Now suppose, let me give you another example. Suppose I write 63. How can I write 63? 6 into 10 plus 3 into 1, right? So this is your tens place and this is your units place. Yeah, 6 is your tens and 3 is your units place. Correct? Now, normally, suppose you have, so every 2-digit number will have a unit place and a tens place. You agree? Okay. Now, if your tens place is equal to x and your units place is equal to y, what will be the number n? So the number n will be tens place, right? So look at the pattern here. Whatever be your tens place, that digit multiplied by 10 plus unit digit into 1. So in the same line, your n will be equal to x, that is tens place, which is x into 10 plus y, that is your units place, into 1. Isn't it? So this will be nothing but, so this is your number, which is nothing but your 10x plus y. This is your original number. If you have got a number which has got tens is x and your unit is y. Okay. So now, if you're reversing the order, right, you have mentioned that if the number, see, 2-digit number is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the order. So what do you mean by reversing the order of the digit? So suppose if your units place is x and your tens is y, right? So what will be the new number formed? It will be nothing but y times 10, whatever your tens is, y times 10 plus x times 1, right? So this is in general, right, with your tens as x and units as y or in either place. So let us solve this question. So what you are asked is a 2-digit number, right? So let us assume that let the units place digit be your y and your tens place digit, let it be x. Okay, so what will be the number formed? The number will be equal to your, as mentioned here, right? If your units digit is y and tens digit is x, what will be the number? 10x plus y, right? 10x plus y will be your number. Okay, and then let us reverse the digit. On reversing the digits, okay, So here now, when you're reversing, what is your units place? So your units digit is nothing but your x, and your tens digit is your y, right? So now the new digit which is formed, the reversed number, right? Reversed number or the new number, let it be n dash. N dash will be equal to 10y plus x. Okay, now these things are fixed. Okay, these are fixed. Now let us read the question. So you know what is the number in general and what is the reversed number. Okay. Now coming to the question, the very first line. 7 times the two-digit number. Okay. 7 times the two-digit number, that is 7 times n. 7n is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. So 7n is equal to 4 times, okay, so 7n is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing, which is n dash. So according to the question, 7 times the two-digit number which is obtained is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the digit. That is, okay, now let's substitute 7 into what is n? This is your n, the number n. So 10x plus y is equal to 4 times the reverse digit, which is 10y plus x. Now let's calculate. So open the bracket, 70x plus 7y equal to 40y plus 4x. Okay, bring all the terms to your left hand side. So you have 70x minus 4x plus 7y minus 40y equal to 0. So you have your 60. No, here I made a mistake. So this is nothing but your minus 4x, right? 66x minus 33y equal to 0. Take 33 common out. So you have your 2x minus y equal to 0. So 2x minus y equal to 0. Or you have 2x equal to y. Okay. And then what is given? You are given that, okay, so the first sentence we have done it. 7 times n equal to 4 times n dash. Next, what is given? If the difference of the digit is 3, find the number. So the difference of the digit, that is your x minus y equal to 3. Okay, the difference between the digits. Okay, or you can say your y minus x equal to 3. Right? What is your y? Y is nothing but 2x. So 2x minus x equal to 3, or x is nothing but your 3. So x equal to 3, right? So what will be y? Y is equal to 2x, which is nothing but 2 into 3, which is nothing but your 6. Now let us find the number. So your final number will be, what will be the number? What was the number that we assumed here? 10x plus y. Okay, so the number n will be 10x plus y. So 10 into x is 3 plus y is 6. So it is 30 plus 6, which is 36. So the number that we need is 36. Okay, so this is how you have to solve it. But if you understand the question correctly, so provided you know the digits, okay, so if you know what is the tens and units, you'll have to write it in this form. Tens place into 10 plus units place digit into 1. So the same way, if you have tens is x, x into 10 plus y into 1. Okay, if your units place is x and your tens place is y into 10 plus x. So if you are able to do this, right, find what is the number and what is, if the order of the digit is reversed, then what will happen? What will be, how will you, what will be your reversed or the new digit? If this you are able to write it correctly, all the other steps will be very, very easy. So hope you understood. Do try this question once on your own and hope you understand. Do subscribe, please do share it with your friends, and do comment if you have any questions. Thank you very much and all the very best.